Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to set away message in Microsoft Outlook. So if you want to set away message in Outlook, which means you want to set up automatic replies. Okay, so how to set it? What you have to do, first you have to log in your account. So when you log in your account, you will see like this. Now here you will see setting options. Okay, so now you have to just click on the setting options. So when you click on setting options, here you will see four options: general, email, calendar and people. So what you have to do, just click on this email option. So when you click on email options, here you will see automatic reply options. Okay, here just click on it and turn it on. Now here you can set up the time. Okay, when you think you are away from office or you are away from your computer, you can just click on it and you can just select the date from here and time from here. Okay, and then you can send you can just s- type your message here. Okay, that I am away from my office or whichever you want to. Okay, so this one is for send automatic replies inside your organization. Okay, so whenever your colleague or your manager send you a message, this reply will send to automatically send to them. Okay, so and when you click on this, here you will see another box where you can type your messages. This is for send replies outside of your organization. Okay, so like this you can do this. Then you have to just click on save. So like this you can set away message or turn on automatic replies in Microsoft Outlook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.